The minute you say a word, the relationship has changed. It could be for the better or not. But every word leaves an impact, whether recognized, heard, or not. It enters the interpretive system of the other. It no longer belongs to you. It is an even different word, living in that space crag, with the other words that moved through air. Now they are memories in changed contexts, useful in a perpetual rehashing. You said that I didn't say that at all. I said that's not what you said. I distinctly heard you were saying, just as we can. No, that's not what I said. You always get things wrong. That's not what I said. Bird words, questionably relevant to what exists beneath in the wordless kingdom.